Hi all, in this video I will be covering the topic complement of a number. So there exist two types of complement, diminished radius complement which is also known as r minus 1's complement and radius complement which is known as r's complement, where r represent the base of the number system. That is, for example, if you consider a decimal number system, r is equal to 10, and if you consider a binary number system, r is equal to 2. So the equation to find the complements, first one is how to find the r minus 1's complement of a number. So consider r minus 1's complement of a number n. Then it is calculated by r raised to n minus r raised to minus m minus n, where r represent the base of the number system and n represent the number. And small n and small m represent the number of digit in the number. That is, small n represent the number of digit before the floating point number and m represent the number of digit after the floating point number. For example, if you consider 123.5, small n is equal to 3. Why? The number of digit before this decimal point number is 1, 2, 3. And m is equal to 1, that is the number of digit after the decimal point, that is only 5. So it will be equal to 1. Right. And to find r's complement of a number n, the equation is r raised to n minus n for n not equal to 0, and for n equal to 0, its complement will be again 0. So now we can see how to find the r minus complement and r's complement in different base system. So first I am considering a decimal number system. So when you consider a decimal number system, what will be the r value? R value is equal to 10. Right. When you consider any decimal number system, its base is 10. Right. So this r minus 1's complement means what? That is 10 minus 1's complement. So in decimal number system, the r minus 1's complement is known as 9's complement. Okay. So in decimal number system, this r minus 1's complement is known as 9's complement. Why? That is r is 10. So 10 minus 1, 9. So it is known as 9's complement. So we need to find the 9's complement of a number. See, for example, suppose consider I want to find the 9's complement of 123. So how to find the 9's complement of 123? We know the equation to find what? Find the r minus 1's complement, that is in decimal number system it is known as 9's complement. So in order to find 9's complement, the equation is, so 9's complement is equal to r raised to n minus r raised to m minus n. Right. That is equal to, what is r? R is equal to 10. 10 raised to n. N represent number of digit before the floating point number. So when you consider this, the number of digit before the floating point number, that is when you consider this an integer, so n is equal to 1, 2, 3 minus 10 raised to m represent the digit after the floating point. So in this case, no floating point digits. So it will be m is equal to 0 minus n. What is n? N represent your number. So your number is 123. Right. So that is equal to, what is 10 raised to 3? So 10 minus, what is 10 raised to 0? 10 raised to 0 is 1 minus 123. That is equal to 999 minus 123, which is equal to 876. Right. So the 9's complement of the number 123 is 876. So similarly, we can find what? We can find the r's complement in decimal number system. So in decimal number system, what will be r's complement? It is known as 10's complement. right? It is tens complement. So we can do this, we can follow the same procedure. So we need to find the tens complement of the number 123. So what is the equation? Equation is tens complement is equal to, this is the equation, so r raised to n minus n. That is r for the decimal number system, it is 10 raised to n. N represent the number of digit, that is 1, 2, 3, minus n is your number, that is 123, that is equal to 1000 minus 123, which is equal to 877. Right. So can you identify some similarity between r's complement and r minus 1's complement? So this answer is 876, this is 877. That means 9's complement plus 1 is equal to 10's complement. So this is how we perform the complement in decimal number system. So in decimal number system, r minus 1's complement is known as 9's complement and r's complement is known as 10's complement. So now we can see how to find r minus 1's and r's complement in binary number system. So when you consider a binary number system, what will be r value? R is equal to 2. That is base of a binary number system. Right. So in binary number system, this r minus 1's complement means what? That is r is equal to 2. That is 2 minus 1 is, that is 1's complement. So we can see how to find 1's complement of a binary number, and we know the equation. And suppose the number is 1101, the binary number. We need to find the 1's complement of this number. So equation is 1's complement is equal to r raised to n, that is r is equal to 2 raised to n minus 2 raised to minus m minus n, right? So what is 2 raised to n? N is the number of digit before the floating point, that is in this case 1, 2, 3, 4. It is a 4-digit number, so it will be 2 raised to 4 minus 2 raised to minus m, no floating point, so it will be 0, minus n represent your number, that is 1101. That is equal to that is what is 2 raised to 4. 2 raised to 4 means in a binary it is 1 0 0 0 0, 1 and 4 zeros. And what is 2 raised to 0? 2 raised to 0 is 1 minus 1101. Right. That is what is 1000 minus 1? It will be 1111 minus 1101. So it is equal to 1 minus 1 0, 1 minus 0 1, 1 minus 1 0, 1 minus 1 0. So this is the answer for the question 1's complement of 1101. So can you identify any similarity between the number and its complement? 1's complement, the number is 1101 and this 1's complement is 0010. That is, you are just interchanging what the 1's and zeros. All the 1's are changed to 0, all the zeros are changed to 1. Right. So that is the easy method to find 1's complement of a binary number. Just interchange what? Interchange 1's and zeros. All the 1's turn 0 and all the zeros change to 1. Right. So now we can see how to find r's complement. So r's complement in binary number system is 2's complement, where r is equal to 2. Right. So the 2's complement equation is known, that is r raised to n minus n, that is in this case 2 raised to n minus n. Right. So we can take the same example, that is we can consider the same number 1101. Right. So the equation is 2 raised to n minus n, that is 2 raised to n. What is n value? N value is 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2 raised to 4 minus n is your number, that is 1101. So that is equal to, so 2 raised to 4 is 10000 in binary minus 1101. So that is equal to 0 minus 1. Then 1. Then 1 minus 1. So we are taking borrow. So 1 minus 0, 1. 1 minus 1, 0. 1 minus 1, 0 and 0. So this will be the 2's complement of the number 1101. Again, you can identify some similarity between your question and the answer. So the easy way to identify the 2's complement is identify the first one. From the side, identify the first one, and after that first one, interchange all 1 to 0 and all 0 to 1. Right. So in this case, the first one is this one. So no change for that value. And the remaining portions we are interchanging. That is, this 0 tends 1, this 1 tends 0, and this 1 tends 0. So that is the easy method to find 2's complement.